What is ATM? ATM stands for Automated Teller Machine. It's a specialized computer that makes it convenient to manage your money. For example, I can say all ATMs allow you to withdraw money and many allow you to make deposits. At some ATMs, you can print a statement, a record of your account activity of transaction, and transfer money between your accounts and even purchase stamps. You can usually access the most services at an ATMs that operated by your own bank. It is an electronic telecommunication device that enables customers of financial institutions to perform financial transactions such as cash withdrawals, deposit, funds transfers, or account information inquiries at any time and without the need for direct interaction with bank staff. Types of ATM in India. First, online ATM. This type of ATM is connected to a bank's database 24 hours. You can't withdraw beyond the balance you have in your account. Second, offline ATM. This is not connected to the database of the bank. Even if you don't have the required amount in your account, you will be able to withdraw it if it falls within the prefixed withdrawal amount. For this, the bank may charge some penalty. Third, on-site ATM. ATMs inside the bank's compound are known as on-site ATMs. Next, off-site ATMs. The ATMs that are located in various places except inside the bank premises are known as off-site ATMs. White label ATM. The ATMs that are set up by non-banking financial companies and offer services are known as white label ATMs. Yellow label ATMs. The ATMs that are provided for e-commerce reasons is called as a yellow label ATMs. Brown label ATM. A service provider owns the hardware and lease of the machine, but a bank manages the cash and connectivity to a bank network. In this case, the ATM is termed brown label. Orange label ATM. These ATMs are provided for shared transactions. Next, pink label ATM. This is meant only for women. And last, green label ATM. These ATMs are provided for agriculture transactions. National Financial Switch. National Financial Switch is the largest network of shared automated teller machine in India. It was designed, developed and deployed by the Institute of Development and Research in Banking Technology in 2004 with the goal of interconnecting the ATMs in the country and facilitating convenience banking. It is run by the National Payment Corporation of India. The National Financial Switch was launched by the IDRBT on 27 August 2004, connecting the ATMs of three banks, first Corporation Bank, second Bank of Baroda, and third ICICI Bank. The IDRBT then worked towards bringing all major banks in India on board, and by December 2009, the networks had grown to connect 49,880 ATMs of 37 banks, thereby emerging as the largest network of shared ATMs in the country. First ATM in India. The first ATM in India was set up in 1987 by HSBC in Mumbai. Hong Kong and Shanghai Banking Corporation introduced the ATM concept in India in 1987. The first ATM was set up in Andheri, East Mumbai.